Mount Airy, North Carolina, Piper M600. Use full power for this VFR takeoff.
Friction lock set.
1550-ish, airspeed's alive. The gauges are green, enunciator's clear. 60 knots, cross check.
Departure on 36.
Careful now, positive rate. Looking right here. Gear up, flaps up. Trim for the bars. Autopilot on. D-bars in the blue. Airplane students commanded the autopilot is not on. Be careful. Okay, now it is. See how I knew that?
Yep.
And to turn on course when you feel it's safe to do so. We have good VMC, so no need for a chart. Okay, nicely done. After the autopilot's engaged and verified, let's get pumps and igniters. We'll do a quick flow, auto. Right. And then landing light off. Flaps, trims, pressure in on and set, backups alive and well. Good, we're on our way.